Pro tip, updates on a budget.
Sellers, here are a few things you can do to update your home that stick within your budget, but also show your home in its best light.
Update your kitchen and bathroom cabinets just by painting them. And while you're at it, change out the knobs. They should match your faucets or your lighting. Hopefully all three will be the same.
Clean that moldy bathroom tile and grout right now.
Or regrout. Have a professional come in and regrout that tile, make it look brand new.
Paint, it makes the biggest impact. Your house will look fresh and clean and bright.
Change out your lighting and your dated ceiling fans. Brass is the enemy right now.
Right. Restain your deck and power wash your patio if you have one. And while you have the power washer, you might as well do the whole house.
Clean out your closets and your garage. Less stuff in there makes them look more spacious.
Get rid of the brass around your fireplace. Like Rose said, brass is the enemy right now.
Yep. Lay down some mulch and add some fresh flowers. It will just make a great curb appeal.
Paint your front door.
With the McLaughlin Summer Team from Century 21 Redwood in Ashburn, we'll see you next week with another pro tip.